Hello everyone, thank you for following my CV channel. Today on AutoCAD series, I'm going to talk how to change the block layer color hatch by using two methods, which one properties and one by layer. Then I will go through the layers, about the layer property, how to turn it on and off, how to lock it. And then finally we will solve together one main problem, that if your drawing hanging or doesn't show properly, how to reset it. So first question you might ask, why to change the color and why we are not using the same color type, hatch and all those things. In order to reduce the visual complexity of the drawing and improve the performance. So let's start by changing the color. First, let me draw a line. Then from here, by just clicking on that, from here you can change the line color, the line weight and the line type. I make a shortcut for myself and it's been showing here. From here I will change it to the red very easily. And then from the layer I want to change it, the layer I want to make it dash, for example. Now you might ask, it's not been changing. We zoom it, it's not been changing. What to change? We need just to change the line scale. Let's make it 100. Then you will see that if you change the line scale, it will show more. Then after that, we have the next option, how to change the line weight. From here, we will make it, let's make it very thick, 1.58. We make it 1.58, but not changing. Either you can change it by typing line weight, or you go to the toolbar, turn on the line weight. Now you have the shortcut here, just press it. As you can see, now the line weight also. Or you can go to the type LW, you will go to the setting. You can change it millimeter to inches based on unit you want to work, and also the scale also you can change it. So this about the line weight. And then after that, if you turn off the line weight, it's not showing. If you turn it on, it will show the line weight. After that, we will have the next thing. If you want to match two properties together, before going to match properties, the layer, in the layer, if you go and you press the other, from the other, first option is showing you show all the line type. It will show you all the line type which you loaded on your system. After that, you have the show all the used line type. All the use which you want to use it here, it's having. Then if you want one more line type, another line type other than the one which you are using it, you can go just press on here on load, and then load whatever line type you want. For example, I want to use this broad border. Just press on that and then press OK. The border has been here. It's been loaded to your system. Let me see that one. We go again. For example, any other type. Center X, you will press X. Now the center, show all the, we have to make this one. So that's why it's not showing. Now the border and the center. Now, for example, I want to delete the border from here. Just press delete. And then the detail, you can change also the detail. Just press show the detail. You can change the scale factor, the current line or the global. The global means all the line which used by this one. The current means the current line which you've been highlighted. And this is everything about the line type. After that, you have the match property. If you want to match two property, for example, I make one normal line here, white one, without any dash, anything. I want to make it dash. So just press match property. It will ask you select the source object. You will select the source object. Then you will select the one which you want to match it. Now we did the other way. Now if you want to match, to make the bottom one, to make a dash, just press the source will be the dash one. Second one will be this one. So it's take all the property of it. It's change the line weight, the line layer, and the line color. And one important thing about when you have a block and you want to change the color or all this thing which we did it, you just press on that and press it. As you can see, it's not been changing. What's the reason? Because previously I told you cannot change the block. Either you have to extrude it or edit the block. So we will extrude it. Just type X and right click on it. Now just simply from here you can change it. Let's make it red so it will be clear. So don't forget, for the block you have first to extrude it, and then you can change the color type and all this thing. After this, we will go to the layer. Layer is very important thing. Layer are the primary method for organizing the object in a drawing function or a purpose. Layer can reduce the visual complexity of the drawing and improve the performance by hiding information that you don't want to see it at the moment. I will go over it how to hide the layer which you don't want to see it. So first, let's go to the layer properties. Either you press it from here, or you can just simply type LA for a layer properties. Then we will go to the layer properties. From here, from the layer property, let me make it a little bit bigger so it become more clear. From the layer properties, what you have, first we have different options. From here, you can choose the set as a current. You can select the layer which you wanted as a current layer which can be used. So for example, I want this one to be set as a current, the one which I already created, so I will just press on that one. So this one has been created as if you want to delete a layer, you just go on this option. I want to delete this layer, for example, I just go here and delete this layer, so this layer can be deleted. Now it's giving the selected layer was not deleted because I'm using it. I have to off and then delete it. After that, we'll go to here one by one what we have. First, you have the status. The status is either if it's tick green, it means it's been using. If it's normal, it's not being used. Then you have the name. The name, you can change the name either by click on it or just press F2. Then you can change it. For example, I want to make it to our channel civil.header88. So this layer the current layer will become as the one which we want to use it. After that, we have on and off option. If it's yellow, it means on. What does it mean on and off? If you want the layer to be visible, it will be on. If you want it to be invisible, just press on it. See, the current layer will be off. It will be off. So this is how to make it layer on or off. After that, you have freeze and thaw. So what is the freeze and thaw? If you want to freeze a layer to make a speed up when you want to zoom, for example, you have lots of drawing, you want to zoom up and down, you have and many other options, or you want to reset it or anything else, it might take a time or it might hanging. So you just freeze it and then you can use it. So you might see just by pressing, you can freeze it or thaw it. This one is being, see the error which is given, you cannot freeze it because now this is the primary layer which we are using, but we can freeze this one or thaw it. So basically you might ask what is the difference between freeze and thaw and on and off. On and off only use when you want to switch between visible and invisible. But when you want to reset the layer or to regenerate the drawing, you can use the freeze and thaw option. Then after that you have a lock option. Lock option, it will lock your layer to do any changes. For example, let's make this layer, let's make it on. No, let me keep it on. I want now with the primary layer which we are using, I will draw a circle. Now I can edit it easily, change the drawing, anything I wanted, as you know. But if I lock it, it will not allow me to do any changes because it's been locked. So this one is ideal when you want to just view the information on the layer for a reference, but you don't want to edit it. After that, you have the color. I don't want to waste time on this thing. As you know, you can change the color, line type, line weight, and transparency. What is the transparency? Transparency, you can increase to make it sharp, to make it dim, or make it bright. Now it's 0. Let's make it 90. As you can see, it's become dark. Or you want to make it bright, just give it 0 or 10. And then after that, you have the plot, which is very important. The plot, if you click on it, when you take a plot, when you print it, this layer, the specific layer, will not show on your plot. but if you turn it on, it will show on the plot. This is all about the layer. Then we will go about very important option. Sometimes you have lots of drawing. Now I have only one drawing, but sometimes you have lots of drawing and the system been hanging. How to reset or regenerate this drawing? Just simply press RE, it will regen all, or just go to the view, and from that you can regenerate it. And that's it. This is how to regenerate, to how to reset, and how to create a layer. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.